Energy unit vocabulary test, final. Number 1, energy stored in the nucleus of an atom. Number 2, movement of energy from one object to another without changing form. Number 3, energy an object has due to its motion. Number 4, energy of motion and position. Number 5, transfer of thermal energy without touch or currents. Number 6, transfer of thermal energy by movement of fluids. Number 7, energy due to the motion of particles. Number 8, energy of moving electrical charges. Number 9, rule that states that energy cannot be created or destroyed. Number 10, energy that an object has due to its position. Number 11, energy that moves in electromagnetic waves. 12, ability to do work or cause change. 13, change from one form of energy to another form of energy. 14, transfer of thermal energy by direct contact. Number 15, energy stored in chemical bonds. Okay, the word list below. A, kinetic energy. B, energy. C, potential energy. D, mechanical energy. E, chemical energy. F, electrical energy. G, electromagnetic energy. H, thermal energy. I, nuclear energy. J, conduction. K, convection. L, radiation. M, energy conversion. N, energy transfer. And O, law of conservation of energy.